Phenomenology of Blended and Multiple Feelings, written by Heavey, Lefferge, Lappin-Carr, and Holbert. The subject matter of the article chosen concerns people's inner experiences of whether they face blended or mixed feelings based on the descriptive experience sampling technique.
The authors of the article hypothesized that they would be able to determine pristine inner experiences and produce exact accounts of what people feel in the present moment by using descriptive experience sampling. The DES experimenters selected a random group of participants to wear a beeper during their normal day-to-day lives. When the beeper went off, participants recorded what they were currently feeling before they heard the beep. This process occurred 6 times per participant. Later, the DES experimenters interviewed participants to specifically summarize what feelings they experienced in those exact moments. They dedicated this portion of the experiment to eliminate the impact of earlier beliefs on both sides. The variables included the random sample of people selected, the dependent variable, and the beepers, the independent variable.
The article Mixed Emotions Toward a Phenomenology of Blended and Multiple Feelings by Heavey, Lefferge, Lappin-Carr, and Holbert details the DES investigation method to examine how people unconsciously experience and interpret emotion.
DES experimenters discovered participants tend to realize continuous emotions after they are prompted by the beeper to reflect. However, the brief pause of reflection interrupts the current moment, so the actual present, pristine inner experience is not directly accounted for. Based on the experiment's results, descriptive experience sampling was found to not capture the exact pristine inner experience due to the interruption of the beep. This discovery makes it clear that there are definite differences between the pristine inner experience and everything outside of it.
Have you ever been sitting on your couch, mindlessly watching TV, and you hear the melancholy song In the Arms of an Angel come on? You reach for the remote as quickly as possible so you're not faced with the sullen faces of all the poor mistreated animals. 1 minute passes, and you end up signing up for a daily donating subscription to the ASPCA. Why is this ad so effective? This ad is being advertised by the ASPCA and is asking for a simple donation of 60 cents a day. However, there is an emotional catch. In the background of the ad, there is a sad, muddy dog tied up in a junkyard. The goal of this ad is to make their audience have sympathy towards the poor little pup and donate a decent, small amount of money every day. When people see this ad, they're more likely to feel many different mixed emotions like anger, bitterness, and heartbrokenness. One might also experience emotions like love or affection. Emotions with opposite valence like these are capable of occurring at the same time. The article that we chose discusses how groups of people were observed over the course of the day and were told to describe how they were feeling at any moment of the day. People recorded various emotions of opposite valences, just like the ASPCA is wanting to target their audience to feel mixed emotions. To test this analysis, I would leave the image of the dog tied up in the background off of the ad and include a link or the name of their website. If the website was available, people would be able to research what the company stands for and what the money that they were donating goes towards. If the dog was not there, people would be making their decision off of what the company stands for instead of the emotional appeal that the depressed dog conveys.
I first saw the ad I chose while mindlessly scrolling through Instagram. The Outdoor Voices advertisement popped up on my feed, showing off their renowned exercise dress. The ad displays women of various ages, ethnicities, and sizes, standing powerfully in the colorful athletic dresses. You can do anything in a dress, is stated in bold and italics. At the bottom of the ad, viewers are invited to join the CEO and founder of Outdoor Voices, Tyler Haney, at a dance party at Lincoln Center to celebrate their product, the exercise dress. Here is a picture of the ad. This Outdoor Voices ad caught my attention in the present moment and made me realize my inner mixed emotions of desire, inclusion, and motivation. Similar to the descriptive emotion sampling method, I took a moment to reflect on my multiple separate emotions that came at once. First, I desire to purchase the exercise dress because it looks good on all the women in the ad, which means it may also look good on me. Then I felt a feeling of inclusion due to the diversity shown in the advertisement. All types of women seem to be present, making me feel that representation is broadening in media today. Third, I felt motivated to get up and get moving because of the strong statement, "You can do anything in a dress." This quote made me feel empowered to be more active, even while wearing a dress. This advertisement could be changed by taking away the text. Without the words, I would still feel emotions of desire and inclusion. However, my feeling of motivation would be minimized because the empowering statement, "You can do anything in a dress," would no longer be there. This ad would still appeal to various emotions without the text, but it might not make the people stop and think like the DES method does, as in the ad with a written message.
The first time I saw the Like a Girl campaign by P&G, I was 13. I was watching TV, and it was one of the ads. Originally a 3-minute video, this picture sums up the commercial. The ad has 3 women ranging in age with motivational sayings like "lead like a girl," "throw like a girl," and "swing like a girl" on their individual pictures. It also predominantly says, "Why can't run like a girl mean win the race?" The P&G company that is advertising is Always. Here's a picture of the ad. The ad uses emotions to empower women of all ages. Society has made the term "like a girl" an insult. This ad motivates women to be themselves and perform tasks like a girl. The ad is not just to boost young girls' self-esteem, it is also for parents of young girls. Most parents want to empower their daughters and make them feel strong and confident. Overall, the emotion this ad was meant to produce was empowerment of women. To test my analysis of the advertiser using an emotional appeal to empower women, I would take off the pictures and just have the company's name Always and the quote above on the ad. I believe without the pictures, people will just look over the ad and then it would no longer empower women as much as it did before to not be ashamed to do things like a girl. Therefore, it would be much less effective.